In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment on the account in Xero, providing a complete tutorial for 2025. This process is crucial for business owners or accountants who need to ensure their accounts are accurate and up to date. With that said, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Xero website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the business menu, which you'll find at the top of your dashboard. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu where you should proceed to select invoices. This section is essentially the hub for managing all your client invoices and related financial transactions, so it's an important place to familiarize yourself with. Next, you will need to either select an existing invoice or create a new one, depending on the status of transactions you need to process. For a new transaction, click on the plus symbol next to New Transaction and choose Receive Money. This button is your gateway to capturing payments from your clients, indicating that funds are coming into your business. Moving on, you'll enter the payment details, which is a critical step in the process. Start by selecting the customer in the Who field. This will direct the funds to the correct account. Next, add a clear reference. This could be something like advance payment or deposit, depending on the nature of the transaction. This reference will help you easily identify the transaction later. Now, you'll want to carefully input the payment date and the amount received. Accuracy is key here since this information directly affects your accounts and financial reports. Double check these details before proceeding. Once all the basic payment details are in place, it's time to allocate the transaction to the correct account. Look for the Allocate to Account section and from there, choose accounts receivable or debtors. Selecting this account ensures that the payment is recognized against the respective customer within your accounts, keeping everything balanced. After setting the account, don't forget to approve the transaction. Click on the Save Transaction button to finalize the process. What this means is that the payment will now sit as a credit on the customer's account, which is essential for tracking future billing or settlements. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of making a payment on account in Xero. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial records remain up to date and accurate, providing a clear financial picture of your interactions with customers. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials for optimizing your financial management processes. Thank you for watching and have a great day.